And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is right now Tuesday, July 19th, 2022. It's exactly 1:40 p.m. and we're here in downtown Montreal. Look at this. This is a beautiful truck. 100% electric delivery truck. This is an Ikea delivery truck. Not sure what brand it is, but definitely first time I've ever seen a truck like this out on the road. And kudos for them. We'll do a little walk around here. Completely electric, like I said. Very large vehicle as well. Look at that. What a beauty. I don't know what make and model it is, but first time I've ever seen this on the road. Now, by the way, very hot day today here in Montreal. About 38 degrees Celsius with the humidity. I think he's leaving. Maybe we'll get to see how quiet she is. And ironically, there's a Tesla right there beside her. Wait for it to depart. Alright, look at that. Completely silent. Can't even hear anything. Wait for it to get proper movement. Wow, completely quiet. Now this is the kind of truck I would love to see everywhere. No noise, no pollution. What a beauty. Have a good day all, and yeah, more videos to come.